Hi guys, this is Jody Cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some pineapple honey whole chicken. So here I have a chicken, and as you can see guys, I slice my chicken. It's already washed, it's clean. So now I'm gonna season it now. So the seasoning that I'm gonna use is Chinese 5 spice, Cajun seasoning, onion powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, chicken seasoning, and all-purpose seasoning. And guys, it is 1 teaspoonful, okay? So just make sure you blend all your seasoning together. So after you blend all your seasoning, you're just gonna take it and sprinkle it all over on your chicken, okay? Then you want to turn your chicken on the side, and you're gonna sprinkle your seasoning all over on the side also, because you don't want to miss nothing guys. You want your chicken to be nice and full of flavor, yeah. Sprinkle some of your seasoning also on the inside. Then you want to take your hands and you're just gonna massage your chicken with your bare hands. Guys, you can always use a gloves, but I believe when you use your hands, this chicken seasons perfectly. Yeah. So my chicken has finally seasoning, and that's what it look like. Guys, for a better result, you can always leave it overnight, or you can leave it for 1 hour or 2 hour. It all depends on you. So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 5 spoonful of vegetable oil. And guys, I'm gonna add my chicken to the pot, skin sides down, and I'm gonna allow my chicken to fry for at least 10 minutes on each side. Make sure you press your chicken down. So now I'm gonna turn my chicken. Guys, make sure you take your time and you turn it, okay? It is nice and golden, and that's exactly how I want it. Perfect. You can take a spoon or whatever you have and just press it right down so it fry evenly, okay? So this is totally optional, but I add at least 2 spoonful of butter to my pot because I want it to be nice and juicy and moist. So that's the reason why I add it, but it's totally optional. So after your butter is melt, you're just gonna take all that juice and just pour it all over on your chicken. Oh yeah. So after you finish brown your chicken, then you can add your butter. Guys, look at that already. It looking so yummy. I can't wait till it finish. So these are some of my ingredients for my sauce. So here I have 1 carrot, and I'm also gonna add some cut pineapple, of course, and I also have 1/4 cup of honey and 1.5 cup of pineapple juice. So here I have a pot on the stove, and the same oil that I used to fry my chicken, I add at least 2 spoonfuls to my pot. And as you can see, I'm adding some garlic powder, 1 spoonful of garlic powder. Then you want to give it a stir, because you know the garlic is going to give it such a nice flavor, the garlic seasoning. So that's the reason why I had it. So just wait for it to come brown. So now I'm gonna add my pineapple juice. Give it a stir and just make sure your stove is on a medium heat, okay? Then I'm gonna add some ketchup. I'm adding 1 big spoonful of ketchup, and as you can see, it is over full. So that's the amount I'm adding basically. Then I'm gonna add my honey. And you just want to make sure you give it a good stir. I'm adding at least 2 spoonfuls of granulated sugar. You can always use brown sugar because the sugar is gonna balance out the taste of the ketchup. So that's the reason why I'm adding it, okay? But the sugar is totally optional. So now I'm gonna add some seasoning. I'm adding Cajun seasoning, black pepper, and all-purpose seasoning, and it's 1 teaspoon. Give it a stir, of course. I'm also gonna add some smoked paprika, some ginger powder, and it's 1 teaspoon. And at least 1 spoonful of dark soy sauce. You want to give it a stir. Then I'm gonna add my carrot. And guys, you're gonna allow it to come to a boil for at least 15 minutes, okay? So all that flavor will come together. So that's what it look like after 15 minutes. Not too thick, just a bit runny, and that's exactly how I want it. Perfect. So now I'm gonna add my sauce to my chicken. Guys, make sure before you add your sauce, make sure you remove most of the excess oil from your pot because you don't need that, okay? So after adding your sauce, you're gonna allow your chicken to cook for at least 1 hour and 30 minutes. Cause the chicken is not finished, guys. You have to allow it to cook properly, okay? So after 1 hour and 30 minutes, I'm gonna check back on my chicken. And as you can see, guys, I cover my pot because I want my chicken to steam all the way through. And make sure your stove is on a medium heat, okay? And guys, isn't that look amazing? It look absolutely delicious, I'm telling you. Mm-mm-mm. So yummy. And the sauce is nice and thick, and that's exactly how I want it. Perfect. So now I'm gonna add my pineapple, and I'm gonna allow it to cook, guys, for at least 5 minutes, no longer than that, okay? Then you want to pour your sauce all over on your pineapple. And guys, this time you don't have to cover your pot, okay? Leave your pot uncovered. So it is finally finished, and that's what it look like. And guys, it looking so good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you and show you guys how it looks on the plate, okay? So I'm gonna cut it for you guys, and I'm gonna show you how it looks when I cut it, okay? I'm gonna cut the leg first, cause that's my favorite part on the chicken, and wings, of course. What's your favorite part on the chicken? Comment below and let me know. So that's what it look like after I cut it, and as you can see, guys, it cooked all the way through. And guys, just look at that. It looks so nice, so juicy, absolutely delicious. Mm. Cause I'm cooking for my family, I'm gonna taste it. And as you can see, I dip the chicken right in the sauce. And guys, it tastes so good. I can taste the pineapple, the honey. It's just sweet and just so delicious. So I'm serving it with some egg fried rice. You can serve it with whatever you preferred. Guys, I hope you do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share to your family and to your friends and all over on your social media. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye. Look at it, guys. It looks so good. It comes out so perfect.